think it's making sure that we reach out first, because sometimes there's fear there in the parent's mind of what are they going to say, or how do I start the conversation. I think it's you starting to build that trust. You taking that first step is very critical. I think when we talk about the parents being involved, they are, like they said, they're already coaches. They're already making sure that they're eating breakfast, that they're doing their homework. They're on top of that. So it's just us making sure that we take that first step to continue opening the communication, because a lot of times they've never had a conversation with the teacher or the principal or the counselor, and they don't have the education maybe sometimes behind them to feel confident enough, because you are intimidating to them. So breaking that barrier is very critical.
Yeah, and I love that, Crystal. I think one of the best things that can happen, especially as an educator, is that you make a mistake, because once you own up to it and have that conversation with the family and student, that could really change the relationship. If you know that you didn't make the best decision in retrospect, and then you own up, that just breaks the barriers. Not everybody's ready to own up when they make those same mistakes. So just being open and honest and comfortable with the fact that you are human as well.